Well, good day, everybody. It's Shane Head for PopSales.com coming to you today from Mena, Arkansas. Here to share with you a great find. Really proud to bring this listing to you. This is a 2022. This is the Excel Bay Pro 220. It's a 22-foot aluminum bay boat. This boat is a one-owner boat, bought new by this particular seller. It has never been in salt water. He bought it to use for freshwater fishing. His plans have changed. As of today's video, we've got about 77 hours on that boat. Engine's been recently serviced. Just a beautiful color combination with that seafoam turquoise top coat with the white on the bottom. Makes for a beautiful contrast. Got a very dependable power plant here. That is the Yamaha VMAX. That's a 4-stroke, 175 horsepower outboard engine. Really good power to weight ratio on this boat with that power plant. It does have a Pro Jacker Z-Lock manual jack plate on here. So you've got that fine tuning and adjustment. Boat buckles back here. Man overboard ladder. I'm going to tell you guys, when you come up to an Excel aluminum boat, if you're comparing other ones in the industry, even the well thought of Express H22, which would be its direct competitor, this is a heavier gauge aluminum, and it's just a heavier boat. So this boat's going to handle heavy water or chop in the bigger water, maybe even a little bit better than what I hear from the Express H22, which is its direct competitor. Sits on a custom Diamond City aluminum trailer with the Diamond Guard heavy duty fenders. You can step on those and get in the boat. They are reinforced with braces underneath. You've got the neoprene covered bunk boards, which are really nice instead of the carpet, so the boat slides on and off really easy. We're going to get on board in a minute, but just to give you a sneak peek, electronics wise, this boat is loaded up. Garmin Force 36 volt trolling motor with that GPS spot lock technology. We've got live scope and traditional Garmin graph, Millennium seating, front and rear. Just a really well set up boat. On the trailer, you do have the swing away jack, spare tire, swing away tongue, so makes storing it really easy. Good heavy duty winch, heavy duty roller up here. Give you a little better shot of that turret there for the live scope. That's a really nice setup. Really nice mount there for your graphs. Again, this boat is just set up so well for either freshwater or saltwater fishing alike. Let's get on board now, and we'll take you to a deeper dive into all the interior features of this great. All right, everybody, we've made it on board the Excel Bay Pro 220. And again, just like the outside, I know we've already given you a few sneak peeks. The interior of this boat is just absolutely immaculate. It still looks almost brand new. You've got that nice textured flooring so it doesn't slip. It's going to be easy to clean. Tons of big rod storage boxes here, fish boxes up front, extra storage up front. Now, he's added Millennium Marine seats to this. These are really comfortable seats. Again, we mentioned earlier, you got that Garmin Force 36 volt trolling motor. There is your nice aluminum turret for your live scope sensor. Two big Garmin graphs, one for live scope, one for your traditional mapping and down scan. Looking back towards the center console, like you always expect to find, you do have a tackle center here in the middle of your console. It'll hold those 307 boxes. You can put 3 of those in there. They got little notches. They just slide right in and out. Easy to get into. And then you've got your front live well with aerator. Again, big rod holders over here. Rocket launcher rod holders on both sides of your console. You nicely look at the upholstery. I mean, everything still looks brand new. This can be a leaning post or a seat. It's got a flip down footrail, of course, all aluminum. Flip down seats on the starboard and port side. Another big graph here, nicely laid out, simple to use console with your tack and your mile per hour gauge, all your aerator, rocker switches. I like that everything is rocker switches on this boat and not those touch sensitive stainless ones. Your center console access for your batteries are down here, easy to get to. I believe these are going to be your electronics batteries, and then I believe your cranking batteries are going to be back here in the rear bilge area. And of course, your fuel tank, fuel filter, Another Millennium seat back here, another deep live well. And of course, I've got one of the seats folded down so you can see you've got easy walk around all across the rear deck of this boat. This truly is a fishing machine. You've got rod holder, rocket launchers on the back of your center console seat. You've also got a flip over storage with a deep storage area. There's your control or your Garmin remote for that Garmin Force trolling motor. Guys, if you were looking for a fully equipped bay boat that's going to be great for either freshwater or fishing the salt flats, backwater, even the bay areas, this boat's going to do it all. So again, if you want to see this one in person, make an offer or get pre-approved for boat financing, two ways to start that. Give us a call at the number you see below in your screen, or use the link in the video description. Head over to the website at popsales.com. There you can view all the pictures and do all those things I just mentioned. Would love to show it to you. Would love to help you get on the water in this very lightly used boat. So from Mena, Arkansas, for popsales.com, Shane Head saying thanks for watching.